Let's take a look at problem 1.3a. We're computing the change in net working capital. And I just want to give you the lay of the land. Remember where we are and where we're going. In problem 1.1, we learned how to calculate operating cash flow. In problem 1.2, we learned how to calculate capital spending. Problem 1.3, we're looking at cash flows related to changes in net working capital. And when we get to it, problem 1.4 is going to combine them all. And when we combine them all, we get cash flow from assets. But this problem is all about change in net working capital, and it's probably the easiest of the three components of cash flow from assets. Let's get down to business. A comparative balance sheet for Ignite Company is shown below, and there's a balance sheet that says, what's the change in net working capital? Well, what's the net working capital? And net working capital is current assets minus current liabilities. That equals our net working capital. So this company's current assets for, let's do 2029 and 2028. Let's do 2028. Current assets are 20,000. Current liabilities, so there's the current assets, there's the current liabilities. Current liabilities are 12. So the net working capital is 8. And it's just sort of a number that's used to like, how much money do I have to work with, right? If I took all my assets, sold them off, paid off all my current debts, how much money would I have to play with? And it's a useful number to know. So the net working capital of this company is $8,000. And in 2029, it's going to be 15 minus 10. 15,000 minus 10,000. Is $5,000 in net working capital. Okay, what was the change in the net working capital? Well, it went from 8 down to 5. The change was it decreased by $3,000. The change in net working capital is it decreased, not by $30,000, but by $3,000 decrease. Okay. We've solved 1.3a. What was the change in net working capital? It went down by $3,000. An easy or easier problem than most. And what else is easier than most? Hitting one of those buttons for me. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day. Goodbye.